Hey there, welcome to my channel, Mess with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. Today's video is definitely going to get you in the spooky, scary season because I'm sharing with you my 2024 Halloween video. Now this video is going to be definitely a lot different than previous years where I share a lot of decorating around the house. I will share with you a few pops of Halloween decor to get into the Halloween spirit, but the real star of the show is definitely going to be cleaning my area rug as well as my couch in my living room. Equally, these two areas are pretty gross. I just filmed the video, I saw the gross results, and I thought if you're looking for a real scare to see what was lurking in the couch and my rug, definitely keep on watching because there's super satisfying but yet very scary footage that I'll be sharing with you. So I'm gonna jump into it, I'll show you what I'm working with, and sometimes looks can be very deceiving. So you're gonna see exactly what comes out of both the rug and the couch. When you first walk into the living room, it doesn't look very dirty. It just looks like I have to tidy up around the space by just folding the dog bed blankets and just tidying up the pillows on top of the couch. But deeper as you look at the rug as well as the couch, it's really gross, and I can see a lot of dirt forming of where we walk on the rug and just sitting on the couch all the time. And there's a lot of fur collected on the hardwood floor. So I really wanted to get all these scary places cleaned up and refreshed so this way I have a nice clean space. I'm first going to clean out the space and get everything prepped, but I decided to go in the sequence of clearing the space, dusting, decorating my mantle so this way I'm not walking on the carpet when it's wet after I clean it, and then I'm going to clean my couch, followed by cleaning the area rug, and along the way I'll share with you all the satisfying results of what I extract from both the couch and the rug. So now that I have everything off of my rug, you're going to see on the left hand side, hopefully it picks up on camera, that there's a brown tinge to the rug color. The rug's supposed to be gray as well as white, but now it's brown and gray because of all the dirt from the foot traffic. So when I clean my rug, I definitely have to address that area and really extract a lot of that dirt out of the rug. And you're going to see the results that if you can't see it on camera, the dirtiness, it's definitely going to show up in the water tank later on when I show you the results of what I extracted. Now I'm going to clean underneath my TV stand. This is an area that I don't regularly clean, and you can see from the beginning when I showed you the clips of underneath here, it's pretty dusty and a lot of hair from Duke, who sheds quite often and quite a lot. So I'm just using a dry microfiber mop head that I got from the dollar store. I think it's by the Javex brand, and I had a review of this product in my dollar store cleaning tools video. So I'll leave a link above if you want to see more about this cleaning tool, but it did a pretty good job taking all the hair and debris from underneath my TV stand. I'm using a Chom Chom that I bought from Amazon a few years ago to clean the fur off my couch. This is a great cleaning tool if you have a long-haired pet like a dog or a cat or just an animal that sheds. It picks up fur off the fabric with ease, and I just wanted to show you the inside of the chamber to show you that it was clear of any hair, and after I do one pass you're going to see the results of what comes off of my couch. I highly recommend this. I use this quite often, even over vacuuming, because it does such a great job. So here's just a little pile of hair that came out of my Chom Chom. This is actually a good day. There's some days where this chamber is just loaded with so much of Duke's hair. So just to get a deeper clean, I'm going to use a vacuum just to get into the nooks and cranny of the couch, just to remove any hair the Chom Chom didn't get. And here's a close-up of the canister after vacuuming of all the hairy, scary things hiding in my rug as well as my couch. I'm using my Bissell Little Green Pro Heat handheld spot cleaner to clean my couch, and I've used this before and it does an amazing job. It does a great job removing and extracting all the dirt that's hiding in the fabric of the couch. So stick around and I'm going to be sharing with you all the dirty results that come out in the water tank, and you're going to see how truly gross my couch was.
On a cold night tonight. On a cold night tonight.
I had to take a pause and I had to dump out the dirty water tank, but I wanted to show you before I did that. This is just one pass of pretty much all my couch cushions. I only had one left before the water tank filled up. So I continued on cleaning the cushions, and then off camera I cleaned the armrest of one of the sides of the couches, and the next water tank is what was pretty much extracted from almost just the armrest, which was the scariest part of all. I just shared with you the results from my couch. That was really horrifying and scary to me, knowing all that dirt was on the couch. And now I'm moving on to my area rug, which I know does not disappoint when it comes to showing all the gross results and gross murky water. So if you like seeing that type of stuff, definitely keep on watching. So to help clean the rug, I'm using my Hoover Power Dash. This is small but mighty carpet cleaner. I've had it for a few years and it doesn't disappoint. This is the second time using it on my new rug and it works really well. So I'm going to just do a few passes and then I'll share with you all the gross results of the dirty water tank. In total, I dumped 3 dirty water tanks, and this final tank is just water, no shampoo, and you can still see that there's quite a bit of dirt that was coming out of the rug. I was running low on shampoo, so I thought I'd stop after 3 dirty water tanks. I probably could have gone about 2 or 3 more passes to get the water a little bit more clean, and I just wanted to show you all the gunk and hair that came out of the roller after I used the Hoover. But I think overall I took a good majority of the dirt off the rug. I don't think it's perfect, but definitely it was a huge improvement. The couch is clean, the rug is clean, and everything's back in place. I also have a few decorations on the mantle to get into the Halloween spooky season. When you see this video, it's just going to be a few days before Halloween, but I hope this gave you an early scare seeing what was extracted from my couch as well as my rug. So I hope you enjoy your Halloween if you celebrate it and have a great Halloween season, and I'll catch you in my next video when I upload next.